Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSO account is logged in and that an off-the-record chat session is active. This authenticates both ends. Next, grant the app camera permission and preview the feed so framing is predictable. Once done, open the specific OTR conversation and select live photo mode rather than static image. You do this now because live captures require a secure channel and real-time access to the camera stream. Doing it in this order prevents permission or authentication errors later. You now configure the capture. Set a short 1-3-second window and pick a resolution that balances quality and transfer size. Position and stabilize the device. Good lighting reduces noise and motion blur. Once you press record, hold steady, live photo packets stream briefly, and the app packages several frames into one file. Make sure notifications are silenced and background apps aren't using the camera. Interruptions can corrupt the live photo sequence. If you need a retry, quickly clear cache and repeat with reduced resolution. You finish by reviewing the live photo preview, confirming it plays, and then selecting Secure Send to transmit over the OTR session. Monitor the transfer progress so you catch failures early. If the send fails, retry with lower resolution or send a static snapshot and follow up. Troubleshooting. If captures won't save or send, toggle camera permissions, re-authenticate the SSO session, and restart the app. These steps resolve most permission and handshake issues. Once stable, the process is repeatable and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.